Hello everybody, today I am going to make an activity related to phonic sounds. This is more of a fine motor activity where OS is going to place the letters on the printed letters as well as say as he does it. And now, as we all know that we have been in our homes and we are trying our level best not to venture out of our homes, so I have tried to use all that is available in the house. For example, I have taken a Ziploc bag. I wanted a hard board, but I don't have a carton where I can cut a cardboard piece from, so I have used one paper bag which is a bit hard. I'll be using paper tape, scissor, pencil, a scale, and I had this at home. Small letters foam board I had at home, and I will also be needing one A4 size paper. To start with, I am going to cut this smaller than the Ziploc bag. So let me do the measurements first. I won't really do any specific exact measurements, but trying to cut it a little smaller than the Ziploc bag. So here I have it. I'll just mark one here. I will be using a little bit of sanitizing solution because that is transparent. I have a lot of it at home. As I marked these are smaller than the Ziploc bag, I'm now going to cut it. These days, it's very important that we keep our children busy in work that they would really love to do. And here Uwais is with me. He is witnessing all the work that I am doing so that he also gets creative. He gets an idea as to how we are making things, and his involvement is definitely going to be very valuable, helpful for him to learn so many lessons through this. Now that we have cut this, but this also is not so hard, so what I am going to do now is I am going to use the base and stick this on the base to do it. So this is now, I've got this out. Initially I thought I won't be using glue, but now because this was quite flimsy, not so thick, so now I will be using glue to stick this on the board. So now this is. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to trace these letters. First of all, I am going to place them on this. Come on, Uwais, say A, B, K.
A, B, K.
Now this is the board is complete. Now the phonic board is complete. I have placed them just rear. And now I am going to use them as templates, and I am going to draw around it. Uwais is helping us to trace the letters. I thought that I might as well let him do it, because when kids make their own stuff, they feel more pride in it. There is a sense of accomplishment, and then they enjoy the activity more. And most importantly, they learn so many different skills, so many new skills through it. Now what is this?
V.
Sound?
V.
This is the final product. I am filling in color. It's optional if you want to, but I would prefer that you do it, because once you put the Ziploc bag on it, it will be more visible. I have put all the letters in this, and now I am putting sanitizing solution which I have diluted a bit. I tried with liquid soap, but then what happens is that it creates bubbles, a lot of bubbles, which is difficult for the child to see. So then I was left with no option, because I don't have clear soap and I had a little sanitizer. So diluted the sanitizer and I am sealing it. After sealing it, I will place this bag on this board, and I am going to tape both the ends, the top end as well as the bottom end, to the board, so that the bag does not move from its place, and the child will be separating the letters, for example placing them on the printed letters. So it's quite a fine motor activity, at the same time the child says it, like for example this is k. It keeps the children busy for a long time. The child has to actually think about so many things. The proper direction of the letter, then how it should be placed. Use the other hand also to hold the Z down.
Z down?
Hold it and push the N. So you see the children are going to do critical thinking also in this activity.
They don't need T.
You don't need to. Very good. Now what you need?
O.
O.
You have to O.
Yes, perfect. Excellent. Yes, I'm so proud of you, guys.
Okay.
Very good. What is this?
Now X.
Yes. X is for?
X-ray.
X-ray. Very good. This is?
Yup.
U for?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. And?
Yup.
Yep. And? What about yacht?
Yacht.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.